you start learning all this stuff, you see your soloing improving, you see your playing improving, because these are the vital things that make each and everything you play sounds better, like a professional. Okay, that's why I likely show people this stuff, because you might hear someone playing something and it sounds good and you feel like playing the same. Not as if the person is playing much, it's just that the harmonizing tone, okay, the way the person is playing his own melody, his own note is just the difference between yours. Okay, so if you can start learning this, it will increase your melody tone, it will increase your tone and velocity. Okay, guys, my guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Okay, so for today I want to show you some tricks, okay, that will make your solo sound good and sound better whenever you're improvising. Okay, some things that will make your solo sound good. Okay, so I think I'm going to do this lesson in the key of D. Most of you are not familiar with the key of D. This is the key of D on the third string here. We have here on the second string. Okay. Okay, that is the key of D. So, if you know that this is the first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that every time I upload a new video like this. Okay guys, so if you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll give you the reply as soon as possible. So the number one tip I'm going to show you here is, number one is, at first, know what we call the hammer-on and what we call the pull-on. Okay, number one is hammer-on, the pull-on, and also sliding. Okay, those three things are very, very vital when it comes to soloing. Okay, those are the things that I'm going to improve your soloing, the way of soloing, the way you bring out your songs. Okay, just like if, for instance, I want to play songs like, I know most of you are familiar with this song. If I want to play songs like if you want to play songs like we bring the sacrifice of prayer into the Lord. We bring the sacrifice of prayer into the Lord, as we offer unto Thee the sacrifice. So if I want to play the song out now, the song is from the song. Okay, but I'm not going to play like that. This is how I'm going to play it. You hear the difference, yeah? You hear the difference there. Okay? You hear the difference? That's number one, okay? Like that. Okay? Okay, so if you want to bring out your song, the first thing you need to learn is how to slide, to play your notes to the next note, okay? Stuff like that. Okay, stuff like that. Like I played, I didn't start from. Many of you play like that. Doesn't sound well, okay? So if you want to play it to get more harmonies and to make the song more filter, harmonizing to the ears, okay? That is the first thing you need to start learning, how to slide your note to the next note. Okay? those harmonizing tones, those pull on, this is a pullover, okay? When they say pull on, this is pull on. From you can if you want to play from your mi re do, you pull on from. Okay, so the first one was sliding. Okay, this is sliding. The hammer-on is a. So if you start learning all this stuff, you see your soloing improving, you see your playing improving, because these are the vital things that make each and everything you play sounds better, like a professional. Okay, that's why I likely show people this stuff, because you might hear someone playing something and it sounds good and you feel like playing the same. Not as if the person is playing much, it's just that the harmonizing tone, okay, the way the person is playing his own melody, his own note is just the difference between yours. Okay, so if you can start learning this, it will increase your melody tone, it will increase your tone and velocity. Okay, it will increase the way you play, your enhancement of playing. Okay, so guys, I think with this you'll be able to understand how to have a good melody and a good harmonizing tone in your solo and your playing. Okay, so if you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section. I will give you the reply as soon as possible. Okay, all right, thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.